everyone, what we are going to know today, the acupoints in the large intestine meridian of hand Yangming. Please see the specific contents. 合谷 is the yuan source point in the large intestine meridian of hand Yangming. It's on the dorsum of the hand, at the middle point of the second metacarpal bone, and close to its radial border. Okay then, we can find the second metacarpal bone and about the radial border. We know that the medial side is the ulnar side while the lateral side is the radial side. Then, the middle point of the radial margin of the second metacarpal is 合谷. What is the therapeutic effect of 合谷? Let's take a look. First of all, it can be treated disease of the face, eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. 合谷 located on our hands, but it can treat disease of the face, eyes, mouth, nose, and ears. This is the remote therapeutic effect of 合谷. Some of the 4 command points mentioned. 合谷 treat disease in the face and mouth. Yes, we should use 合谷 to treat disease in face and mouth. This is the remote therapeutic effect of 合谷. Specifically, it can be used to treat disease of the face, eyes, nose, mouth, and ears, such as deviation of mouth and eyes. It's the facial paralysis that we often see in clinical practice. We noticed that doctors not only choose local acupoints in clinical practice, but also choose 合谷 on the hand. This is 合谷 treat disease in the face and mouth mentioned in some of the 4 command points. In addition, it can also treat toothache, nosebleed, redness, swelling, and pain in the eyes, headache. The above is the first remote therapeutic effect of 合谷. Second, 合谷 can treat exogenous disease such as fever with cold aversion. This is the second therapeutic effect. The third therapeutic effect is that it can treat heat disease with no sweating or profuse sweating. The fourth therapeutic effect of 合谷 is its strong effect on regulation, gynecology, and obstetrics disease. We can use it to treat dysmenorrhea, amenorrhea, and delayed labor. Although we use it too late to induce labor in clinical practice, but we should pay attention to that 合谷 is not suitable for pregnant women in clinical. The fifth therapeutic effect of 合谷 is its strong effect on smooth channel and activation clitoris. Therefore, it can be used to treat various pain syndrome in clinical practice. 合谷 is a commonly used acupoint in acupuncture anesthesia in the clinical practice. Manipulation method of 合谷, perpendicular incision 0.5 to 1 cun. Generally speaking, we will let the patient half clench, palm in erect position, and then acupuncture. In the clinical practice, we should pay attention to avoid use 合谷 in pregnant women. 曲尺 is the 合 C point in the large intestine meridian of hand Yangming. It's at the elbow, midway between 尺泽 and the lateral epicondyle of the humerus. 曲尺 has a wide range of therapeutic effect in the clinical practice. First of all, let's look into its local therapeutic effect. Because it's located at the elbow, for the numbness, swelling, and pain of upper limbs, we can choose 曲尺 to treat. So, its first local therapeutic effect is to treat pain in upper limbs. Second, 曲尺 had a good effect on prolonged heat. We can use 曲尺 to treat heat disease. Third, 曲尺 can treat vertigo. Fourth, treats as the 合 C point in the non-intestine meridian of hand Yangming. Can treat gastrointestinal disease. We can use 锯齿 to treat abdominal pain and diarrhea related to gastrointestinal and digestive system. Fifth, 锯齿 can treat heat disease and syndromes of the face, eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. For example, sore throat, toothache, especially the pain in the lower tooth, or redness, swelling, and pain in the eyes. Then we can choose 锯齿 to purge heat. 锯齿 had a very good therapeutic effect on dermatologic disease, such as skin itching, which is common in clinical practice. 锯齿 can be used. 锯齿 can calm the mind, which can be used to treat mania and epilepsy. Then, about 锯齿 clinical manipulation, we can use particularly insertion to insert 1 to 1.5 turn, which is based on the qi sensation of patients. We have named the acupoints in the large intestine meridian of hand Yangming. Hegu can be used to treat disease in face and mouth. 锯齿 can be used to heat disease and has the effect of purging heat. We should have a good grasp of their location, indication, and acupuncture manipulation methods. Finally, this is the end of the lesson.